Did you know the average person uses over 50 pounds of toilet paper every year? Deforestation, water waste, and pollution are all tied to our toilet paper habits. But what if there was a smarter, cleaner, and more eco-friendly way? Enter the bidet toilet, a simple change that's transforming bathrooms everywhere. In this video, I'll show you how bidet toilets save water, improve hygiene, and make your life a little easier. How bidet toilets save water. Let's start with a surprising fact. Producing just one roll of toilet paper takes about 37 gallons of water. That's not even counting all the other resources needed for processing, packaging, and transporting it. Now, think about the billions of toilet paper rolls used every year. It adds up fast, right? Now, here's the good news. Bidet toilets use a tiny fraction of that water. On average, a single use uses less than a liter of water. Just think, by switching to a bidet, a household could save thousands of liters of water every year. And it's not just about what you're saving, it's about what you're stopping from going to waste. Less toilet paper means less landfill waste and less strain on our sewage systems. It's a small change that makes a big difference. How bidet toilets improve hygiene. Toilet paper might seem like the go-to for cleaning up, but it often leaves behind residue, and that can lead to irritation or even infections. Water, however, gives you a much more thorough clean. We wash our hands with water for a reason, right? Bidets are especially great for people with sensitive skin, medical conditions like hemorrhoids, or those recovering from childbirth. They're gentle and soothing, which makes all the difference when you're healing or just trying to be more comfortable. Plus, bidets help keep you healthier. By minimizing direct contact, they help reduce the spread of bacteria and lower the chances of urinary and gastrointestinal infection. It's not just about feeling clean, it's about staying healthy. Accessibility and ease of use. Bidets aren't just about saving water, they're also incredibly easy to use. Most models let you adjust things like water pressure, temperature, and nozzle position so you can get the exact experience you want. For seniors or anyone with mobility challenges, bidets make personal hygiene so much easier. There's no more awkward twisting or reaching. It's just a cleaner, simpler way to take care of yourself. And modern bidet toilets go even further with features like warm air drying, deodorization, and even self-cleaning nozzles. Some models even offer touch-free controls for a truly hands-off experience. Bidet toilets are more than just a bathroom upgrade. They're a smart, sustainable choice that benefits both you and the planet. They save water, improve hygiene, and make everyday life more convenient.